Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Jeep Patriot in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, insert your key and turn the ignition to the ACK or ON position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the system for the next steps. Now, look closely around your gear shifter. You'll find a small, often rectangular access cover. Gently use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to pry this cover open. Be careful not to scratch the surrounding trim. Underneath, you'll see a small button or lever, which is the shift interlock override. With the access cover removed, press and hold down the shift interlock override button. While keeping this button depressed, firmly move your gear shifter from the park position into neutral. Once the shifter is securely in neutral, you can release the override button. The vehicle is now in neutral. To confirm, check your dashboard display or the shifter itself to ensure it clearly indicates N for neutral. Remember to keep the parking brake engaged until you are absolutely ready to move the vehicle. When you're done, always re-engage the parking brake for safety before exiting the vehicle. This ensures your vehicle remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.